Hello, Namaste to all the students and teachers of Telangana who are watching this episode of digital classes. Today we are going to discuss a chapter from 7th class, that is construction of triangles. In that, when three sides of a triangle are given, can we draw a triangle? Today we are going to discuss on that, but in the beginning, what is the need of drawing these triangles, or what is the need of constructing these triangles? Let us know about it. When we want to locate a point on earth, or when we locate a place on the earth, or geographically we want to know the location of a place, or we want to plan a house, then we need these constructions. Therefore, we should know the basics of constructions. Before going to all those complicated constructions, let us discuss today a very simple construction of a triangle. But before going to that, let us know about the basics of a triangle. Are you ready, guys? But before entering into this episode, children, please be ready with your geometrical instruments box and with pen and your notebook. Are you ready, children? You are going to see some images now. Observe them and identify a property. An image is different based on that property. Identify it. Oh, these are Egypt pyramids. And I think you are looking at a tent built over here. Oh, I think you like it very much. This is a football, isn't it? Oh, what are these? You might have seen these on the occasions of Independence Day and Republic Day celebrations. You might have identified the odd object by now. What may be that object? What may be the property? Oh, you might have guessed this one. It is a football. Why this football is different from others? Because all other images contain triangle, but this football does not. But the question is, what is a triangle? How is it formed? Let us discuss about it. Children, in your notebook, mark any 5 points such that no 3 points lie on a straight line. Are you doing that, children? Oh, for example, you have marked like this. Join all the pairs of points with line segments as far as possible. As many of the line segments you can draw. How it would form? The shape might have taken like this, hasn't it? Now, mark any 4 points in your notebook such that no 3 points lie on a straight line. For example, you have marked like this. Are you doing this, children? Now, join all the pairs of points with line segments as far as possible. With a scale, you can join. I think you have done all the things. The shape might have taken like this, hasn't it? And now, mark any 3 points in your notebooks such that they don't lie on a straight line. For example, like this. Again, join all the pairs of points with line segments, as many as possible. The shape might have taken like this, hasn't it? Have you drawn any other shape? And now, I think you have guessed this one. Mark any 2 points in your notebook. Can you make a closed figure by joining these points? You might have realized that it is not possible to form a closed figure by joining these 2 points. What can you conclude by the activity you have done till now? That is, we can conclude like this. We need at least 3 non-collinear points to form a closed figure. Triangle is one of the closed figures formed by joining 3 non-collinear points, and also the closed figure with the least number of sides is the triangle. That means, with the sides, if you take the polygon with the least number of sides is the triangle. Till now, we have discussed about a triangle, how it can be formed. It can be formed by joining 3 non-collinear points with the help of 3 line segments, and it is also a polygon with the least number of sides. But we should know about some basics of triangle. Let us know about those basics. Okay guys, please note down these basics of a triangle, right? A triangle has 3 vertices. The vertices of a triangle are generally denoted by capital alphabets like A, B, C, etc. This is vertex A. This is called vertex A. This is vertex B. Another vertex, remaining one, is vertex C. Therefore, these 3 vertices are A, B, C. Hence, the triangle's name is triangle ABC. The next one is, a triangle has 3 sides. Let us know how to denote those 3 sides. The sides of a triangle ABC are denoted by AB, BC and CA based on their vertices, and this is side AB. Side AB is nothing but from this point to this point, whatever the segment is there, it is called side AB. And now, this is side BC. Children, can you guess what may be the side CA? What may be the side CA? Oh, this is side CA. A line segment from A to C may be denoted as CA or AC. Whatever it may be, it's your option to choose its name. The next, a triangle has 3 angles. The angles in a triangle ABC are denoted as angle A. To denote an angle, you should make this representation of angle. Therefore, this is called angle A, angle B and angle C as per their vertices. And in the figure, if we see, this is called angle A. this is called angle B, and the remaining one is, this is angle C, and this angle is represented as angle A like this. Similarly, this angle can be represented as angle B like this. Till now we have discussed some basics of triangles. Here you are looking at a picture. There is a triangle and the lengths of the sides are given in that triangle. The question is, write down the sides, angles and vertices of the triangle given below based on our earlier discussion. You have to write the names of the sides and with their lengths, and names of the angles and the names of the vertices. Are you writing, children, in your notebooks? Now check your answers. The vertices are P, X, A, and the sides are Px is equal to 5 centimeters, Pa is equal to 4 centimeters and Xa is equal to 4.5 centimeters, and the angles are angle P, angle X and angle A. Till now we have discussed about the basics of a triangle. If you are clear with these notations, then only we may be able to construct any triangle. Can you draw a triangle when lengths of its 3 sides are given? For that, please go through page number 180 and 181 in your mathematics textbook. And now let us discuss about a problem number 1 in the exercise 1 in page number 182. The problem is, construct a triangle ABC with AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters, BC is equal to 6.5 centimeters and CA is equal to 7.5 centimeters. That means, in this problem what are given and what we have to do? We have to construct a triangle. The name of the triangle is triangle ABC, whose vertices are A, B, C and the sides are AB, BC and CA and their lengths are given. Children, to understand this problem, draw a rough figure of the triangle ABC with AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters, BC is equal to 6.5 centimeters and CA is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Whatever the rough figure you draw, it must be proportionate to the original figure. Now, it is very easy to draw any one of the sides. AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters or BC is equal to 6.5 centimeters or CA is equal to 7.5 centimeters of the triangle ABC, isn't it? That means any one of the sides you can draw with the help of your ruler or scale, right? Let us discuss how it can be drawn. For example, you have drawn a line segment BC is equal to 6.5 centimeters like this. Up to 6.5 it has stopped. That means you have drawn a line segment BC with the length 6.5 centimeters. Now, By drawing BC is equal to 6.5 centimeters, we get two vertices of the triangle ABC, namely B and C. Here, when we have drawn this side with the length 6.5 centimeters, we have already two vertices of the triangle. Those are B and C. That means the remaining vertex is A. How can you find the position of that point A? That means we have to locate our point A somewhere here, so that we can form a triangle. Then how can you find the position of that point A? For that, the vertex A should be, whatever the vertex we need, that should be 5.5 centimeters away from this point B, and it should be 7.5 centimeters away from this point C. Can you look at that one? Try to locate that point A with this condition. Now, I think you are trying for that, but there is an accurate method to locate that point. Let us try to locate the point A with that accurate method. Children, suppose this is point B. This is point B. You have to draw, or you have to locate a point which is 5.5 centimeters from this point. Where it can be? Can it be here, or I am locating some points over here. There are so many points on this. What may be the nature of these points? These points are at the same distance, same 5.5 centimeters from this point. Therefore, whenever we want to locate a point from a point with the 5.5 centimeters, how many points there may be? That means there may be infinite number of points, and whose locus, that means whose path, may be traced as a circle. That means this is a part of a circle, right? Therefore, there are so many points which are equidistant from this point, but we have 2 points. From one point we have to draw 5.5 centimeters, and another point we have to locate a point 7.5 centimeters. For that, what we have to do, let us discuss. Now, children, look at this. This is our BC with the length 6.5. This is the point B, from which we have to locate a point A which is 5.5 centimeters away from this. That means our A may be any point on the circumference of this circle. Now, how can you locate that point originally then? Now, this is the path of all points which are 7.5 centimeters away from this point. This is the path of all points or locus of all points which is 7.5 centimeters away from this point. Now, that means our A may be on this locus also. on this circumference also. Therefore, how can you determine the position of RA? Now, see. Therefore, R point A is on this circle and this circle. Therefore, the point which is on both of the circles is here. Are you observing, children? Therefore, not only this point, we have another point also. Therefore, there are two such points which lie on this circle and this circle. That means this point is 5.5 centimeters away from this point and 7.5 centimeters away from this point, and this point also is 5.5 centimeters from this point and 7.5 centimeters from this point. Now, when we join all these 3 points, what will you get? When we join this, we have got a triangle. Otherwise, we can join our triangle like this also. Therefore, we may get a triangle like this also. But our main question is there any need of drawing these entire circles? I think your answer may be no. If we draw this part, that means from this part to this part and from this to this, if we draw this, that means if we get the intersection point, it will be enough. Now, let us see another diagram for that. We are drawing an arc with center B and the radius 5.5 and another arc with the center C and with the radius 7.5 centimeters. Therefore, when we draw this arc, they are intersecting at this point. When we take intersection point of these two, this one and this one, we get a point over here. Therefore, it is enough to draw only these arcs with the help of your compass, right? Therefore, we have got intersection point of these two arcs. Now, it will be very easy to draw a triangle. Like this. Therefore, we have got our triangle ABC. But whenever we are drawing the arcs, we should be careful about using the compass. Therefore, for that you have to take the help of your teachers. I think you have got the logic how to draw a triangle when the 3 sides of a triangle are given. Children, till now we have discussed the process and the logic behind the construction of a triangle when its sides are given. When we are constructing and when we are utilizing the mathematical instrumental box and the tools in the mathematical instrumental box, some children may be perfect to use, but some children may be somewhat lagging behind. For those, our teachers may help. Children, do not hesitate to ask the help from your teachers. I hope you have enjoyed this class. Thank you for watching this digital class. I hope you have enjoyed this class. Let us meet next time with a new way of constructions and new things of constructions. Namaste.